Please forgive me. This must be done.
We were so happy together.
Tell me more of these visions.
I just want to know why.
Why? Same reason I chose you.
And what was that?
I didn't.
Keating, you will watch your words.
Spent my life watching. Now I will say what I want.
They say you speak with God.
In the standard of crimson red, we call forth Sir Simon!
How could you give her to that barbarian?
It was a mistake!
Yes, it was.